Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can install Uno application on your iPhone. First of all, open up your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, type in UNO and search. From the search result, look for this application that says Uno from Mattel 163 Limited. Click on the Get or the Install button and wait for the application to download onto your device. Uno is now available as a mobile app, allowing you to take the classic card game with you everywhere you go. Some of the features of the Uno app is classic gameplay, custom house rules, playing with friends, 2 versus 2 modes, and World Series tournaments. Whether you are a seasoned Uno player or new to the game, the application offers something for everyone. Wait until the application download percentage is full and hits 100, and you will then be able to launch open Uno on your iPhone. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch open the Uno app on your iPhone, and that is how you can easily download Uno. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends on Uno. To add friends on Uno, first of all, launch open your Uno application on your mobile device. After you are inside the main home page, once signed in, go ahead and tap on the friends icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can go ahead and invite your friends to join into the game with an invitation code or via Messenger. To send an invitation code to one of your friends, click on the invite button in green. Now, select a friend from your list or choose any other social media apps and select the friend you want to invite. After selecting your friend, you will then be able to see an automated link on the preview page. You can also write a customized message in the text box, and then once you are done, click on the send button to send in your invitation link to your chosen contact. If you want to add friends with your invitation code, go to the bottom where you will be able to see your invitation code. Click on the little copy icon right next to it, and once you are done copying your link, you can then go ahead and choose any social media application and select a friend from your contact list. Paste in the invitation code in the message thread, and once you send in the code to them, now as your friend gets your invitation code, they can simply go ahead and search for your invitation code by typing it down in their search ID box, and once they do that, they will then be able to search for you within the Uno game. You can also go ahead and use the search box and search for an ID, and then you will be able to see the search results on the right corner. Find your friend that you want to add and click on the little plus button right next to the person's info with a green circle and a little human with a plus in it. Simply tap on the add button like this and you will be able to send friend request to the certain person. Now once they accept your friend request, you will then be able to add them as your friend on Uno. So that is how you can easily invite and add friends on Uno. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on Uno. To change your language setting on your Uno application, the first thing you want to do is to open up your Uno app and sign into your account. From the main home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom left-hand corner. Under General, tap on the language drop-down. Select from the multitudes of language options and choose the one that you want to change to for your account. After tapping on one of them, you will immediately notice that you have successfully changed your display language for Uno. You can come back to this option anytime and change to your desired language. So that's it for today's video. That's how you easily change your language on Uno. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to change your name on Uno. Changing your name in the Uno mobile app is a straightforward process, and here is how you can do it. First of all, open up the Uno application on your mobile device and make sure to log in. From the main home page, tap on your avatar or your profile icon, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. This will then bring up your profile page. Go to Info section and tap on the pencil icon right next to your name right underneath your profile picture. Now, you can change your name for the first time for free. If you want to change your name for the second time, you will need to use the renamer item. If you are changing a name for the first time, you can easily do so. Simply go ahead and type in your name and click on Done. After you are done, click on Confirm and click on Confirm once again. And there you have successfully changed your name on Uno. So that is how you can easily change your name on Uno in just a couple of steps. In this video, we will be learning how to change your avatar on Uno using your mobile device. Changing your avatar in Uno on a mobile device is a simple process. Launch the Uno app open on your mobile device, and then from the main home page, tap on your profile avatar, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This will then open up your profile, from where you can simply tap on your avatar on the screen. From the list of avatars, you will be able to choose one of the avatars from the list. Some of the avatars has not been unlocked yet. Browse through them and select the one you want. If you have logged in to Uno with Facebook, you will also be able to use your Facebook account's avatar as your avatar for your Uno account as well. After selecting the available options for avatar, click on Confirm, and there you have successfully changed your avatar for Uno. So that is how you can easily change avatar on Uno with your mobile device. In this video, we will be learning how to delete friends on Uno. To delete friends on Uno, first of all, open up the Uno mobile application on your mobile device. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the Friends button at the bottom. Inside the Friends tab, you will be able to see your list of friends. Select a friend you want to delete and tap on their profile picture. If you want to unfriend or delete the friend, click on the Unfriend button in red at the bottom. Confirm unfriending your friend by clicking on Delete, and you have successfully deleted a friend from your friend list on Uno. So that is how you can easily manage your friend list or remove friends from Uno in just a few simple steps. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Uno application on your mobile device. To log out of your Uno app, first of all, launch the Uno app open on your mobile device. Now, go ahead and tap on the gear button or the settings icon at the bottom left-hand corner from the home page. Once you do that, click on the Account Center option at the bottom right and click on Switch Account on the left-hand side menu. In the pop-up, click on OK, and you will then be able to log out of your application and you will return to your login screen for Uno. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem Uno code on your mobile device. Redeeming a Uno code on mobile can be done through the application or the official Uno website. I'm going to show it to you how you can do it within the Uno app. Open up the Uno app on your mobile device and make sure you have the latest version installed. Sign into your account, and once you do that, from the home page, click on the settings icon at the bottom left. From the settings menu, click on Gift Code on the left-hand menu. Click on Redeem right next to enter the gift code to get great rewards, and enter your gift code in the text box. After you do that, click on the Redeem button and follow through the instructions. You should now receive the confirmation message if the code was accepted successfully, and you can now earn and verify rewards. So that is how you can redeem your Uno code in just a couple of steps. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sounds on Uno. To turn off sound effects on Uno, the first thing you want to do is to open the Uno application on your mobile device. Once you open up the Uno application on your mobile device and you are signed into your account, go to the bottom left menu and then tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Sound. Once you get to this page, toggle off the button right next to Sound and Music and make sure that they are turned off. After you do that, you will be able to turn off sound effects and music inside your Uno application, and that way you can turn off sound effect on Uno. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to block someone in Uno. To block a friend on Uno is super easy. First of all, open your Uno application and make sure that you're signed in to your main home page. Now, click on the Friends tab at the bottom of the screen. Inside your Friends tab, go ahead and look for the friend you want to block from the list of your friend option. To block a certain person, go ahead and tap on the message speech bubble icon right next to the contact, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will then be able to see a block pop up. Tap on it and click on confirm to block messages from the friend. If you want to block the friend, you can simply go ahead and tap on their profile picture and then click on unfriend at the bottom. Click on the delete button in the pop-up to delete them from your friend list. So that is how you block someone on Uno. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.